Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of accidentally pouring way too much oil into your pans and ruining a perfectly good meal, you are certainly not alone. Finding a better way to control your cooking oil can be an absolute game changer for your health and your daily recipes. Today we are taking a close look at the best oil sprayer for cooking to help you conquer your kitchen with complete confidence. You are watching Tech Kingo. Let's get started. Here we have the Jelabo oil sprayer for cooking, a highly versatile kitchen tool designed to transform the way you prepare your meals. Having absolute control over your ingredients is essential for making great food, and this clever gadget is built to bring both ultimate convenience and remarkable efficiency right to your countertop. Instead of fumbling with heavy glass bottles that constantly drip and make a mess on your counters, you can rely on this beautifully engineered device to streamline your cooking routine. One of the most impressive things about the Jelabo oil sprayer for cooking is its upgraded light-blocking design. Many people do not realize that cooking oils can go bad if exposed to direct sunlight, which ruins their flavor. Jelabo solves this problem by using a beautiful dark olive green body that perfectly protects your sensitive oils from harmful light and air exposure. This smart construction ensures that your expensive extra virgin olive oils stay fresh and flavorful for much longer periods, meaning your homemade meals will always taste absolutely incredible. Even though the bottle features a protective tinted exterior, it includes a highly practical transparent measuring scale right on the side. This brilliant addition allows you to easily monitor your current oil levels at a simple glance. You will always know exactly how much oil you have left inside, making it a practical tool to keep on your kitchen counter for quick access. You will never be caught off guard by an empty bottle right when you are in the middle of preparing a complicated dinner for your friends and family. To keep your kitchen looking perfectly organized and beautifully stylish, it comes with a wonderful set of 10 handy stickers. 8 of these are durable and waterproof labels that are pre-printed for the quick identification of common oils and vinegars. The other 2 are blank labels that let you customize them for your own special homemade blends or unique salad dressings. This thoughtful addition helps eliminate any guesswork when you are rushing to make dinner. The real magic of this device comes from its incredibly flexible 2-in-1 functionality. It allows you to switch effortlessly between a fine mist and a steady straight stream, depending on how you press the trigger mechanism. If you want an ultra-fine spray to lightly coat your air fryer basket or delicately dress a fresh salad, just give the handle a quick and firm press. If you need a controlled and continuous stream of oil for grilling vegetables or baking, simply apply a gentle and slow press. In addition to the fantastic spraying features, it boasts a brilliant one-handed flick and pour design. When you need to add a larger amount of oil directly into a hot skillet for pan frying, you can tilt the bottle and pour smoothly with a single hand. This dual action capability saves you from needing separate bottles for spraying and pouring, keeping your cooking space completely clutter-free and wonderfully organized. When the time comes to add more oil, refilling the Jelabo oil sprayer for cooking is simple and completely mess-free. It features a patented one-click lid opening that gives you instant access to the inside. You will not have to struggle with slippery, hard-to-twist caps when your hands are covered in cooking ingredients. Furthermore, it boasts a generous 500 milliliter large capacity, which significantly reduces the frequency of your refills. Every single aspect of this oil dispenser integrates seamlessly into any modern kitchen setup. Whether you are handling everyday cooking tasks or entertaining a house full of guests, the combination of thoughtful design, high versatility, and absolute ease of use makes it a truly essential tool for any home cook. It offers you total culinary control, amazing convenience, and a touch of elegance in a single device. It is time to take full charge of your ingredients and make your daily cooking smoother than ever before. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today and instantly upgrade your kitchen. Like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome home product videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you all in the next one.